Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to change name in Facebook in a very simple steps. Please make sure to watch the video till end. So let's get started. Click on right top corner on horizontal 3 lines. Then find Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and find Accounts and Center. Then click on Profile. Then tap on Name. So here you can edit your name. Then scroll down to Review Changes. So, these are the simple steps to follow. Thank you so much guys for watching video.